Welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi. Before we go to the model, I wanted to show you a few books I picked up as reference for the M113 and 2 Verlinden stowage sets that will work well for this build. Starting with the stowage, many of these items will be used for the interior, such as the ammo boxes, CVC helmet, and a boom box and radio. I will use some of the items for the exterior as well, but there really are a lot of things here. I will likely save most of these for future Vietnam era builds. I understand that AFV Club will be coming out with a brand new M109 and hopefully an M107, which I would love to build. I have the Accelerators Tamiya kit, and despite Tamiya's attempt to update the old kit, a new kit from AFV Club would be a dream. A note about the references: the walk around by David Doyle offers the same amazing photographs I've grown to expect from Squadron Signal walk around series. Practically every inch of the vehicle has been photographed, and there is a wealth of information offered by the text. The other book, however, doesn't offer much as far as the Vietnam era M113 is concerned. The author's own build in this book is unimpressive, while the builds of the other variants are excellent. Unfortunately, the other variants may not offer much for me for this version of the M113 that I am building now. So, looking at the AFV Club M113A1 now, you can see I have made quite a bit of progress. I have added details in the driver's compartment, including wires and door handles, and have started to build up some of the control boxes in the vehicle. On the starboard side of the crew compartment, I have included wires that run from the battery box to the engine compartment, and added straps that will eventually wrap around a scratch-built personnel heater. Not much has been added to the port side yet. On the ceiling, I plan to hang a few straps often found on the strap handles. These strap handles are found all over the vehicle, and at the end of this video, I will show a way I've devised to scratch build more of these handles, since the kit doesn't have as many as are found in the real thing. Here is an example of one of those straps. I decided to use Tamiya tape cut to just the right thickness, and looped it with the adhesive side out so the tape would keep the correct loop shape. At this stage, it is important to start to test fit the roof to ensure first that the roof fits all sides of the vehicle well, and second, to ensure that any scratch-built items that I add don't interfere with any molded items inside the vehicle. At this stage, I started to make decisions about just how many hatches I wanted to have open and how much detail I planned to have seen. Okay, now moving over to the strap handles. I admit I'm not sure exactly what these are called, but I think they are strap handles. If you know for certain, please leave a comment. You can see on the inside here the few I added. 7 of them are missing, and since I intend to hang straps from them, these need to be there. So I will take either a thin piece of plastic rod or, as in this case, a thin piece of stretch sprue. On one end, I will press firmly with pliers. This will flatten the end. The flattened end may not have the right shape. These should be pretty circular, so if you're super picky like me, you will want to reshape the flattened area with either a clipper or a sanding stick. Then, with the tweezers, hold the finished side firmly and trim to the desired length, and flatten again with pliers. Finally, use your favorite cement to bond the piece to the surface. I like to use a very small amount of Tamiya extra thin cement. The addition of these scratch-built strap handles may not have a big impact on the overall look of the model, but since I do intend to hang straps from them, the small amount of time it took to make them was well worth it. Well, that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.